Welcome to Analytical Science and Technologies. I'm Siegfried Mueller, the CEO, and I want to tell you what we do at AST. So we work in the aerospace and defense industry, the semiconductor industry, the food and beverage industry, and the industrial gas industry. We make precision instruments all around detecting trace contamination of gas molecules used in those industries. Let's take a tour through the shop and see where everything's made. So when we start a project, what we have to make sure of first is that we understand completely what the customer needs. So the first thing that happens is in research and development, we develop the actual methods that are analyzing the contaminants we're looking for. So in this section is our research development laboratory services. Here, we can test gas samples down to the parts per trillion. What that means is we can actually tell an air sample that comes from a small town in Wisconsin versus a small town in Hungary. Or we can detect the contaminants specific to a biodigester in Minnesota versus one in Northern Europe. 25 years ago, I started this in my barn behind my house. For the first 5 years, we operated as a startup company. In the past 25 years, we've been able to expand into major headquarters now here. We've opened offices across the United States, and we service customers globally. Gas analytics, the science of gas analysis, is something that very few people really have an appreciation for. You really have to be, a nutty scientist to really find this interesting. And fortunately, I was able to find 50 of them that come work for me. So I am amazed every day when I walk in and some new opportunity, shows up. It's just, this is why I get up in the morning, and that's the energy I try to put into everything we do here. Part of our mission statement is technology with a purpose, and we were just awarded the United States Air Force contract for aviator breathing oxygen. So if you've ever seen Top Gun where they're like, Maverick, gotta go on oxygen, he slaps that mask on, he's breathing aviator breathing oxygen. That's tested through these systems to make sure it's safe for our warfighters. One of the other things that's really important at AST is our carbon dioxide analytical system. So for companies like Coca-Cola, they need to test this carbon dioxide to make sure it's safe to drink. So this is a system that actually tests that carbon dioxide before it carbonates the beverages you drink. So one of the greatest things at AST is we are a technology company always looking towards the future. So as we kind of take our steps, from today into tomorrow, we're just here to really enjoy this ride into the future. So come on with us.